Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Winnebago Sunstar 29VE. In my opinion, that means very entertaining. What? We'll find out. Come on in, let's take a look. Right, starting in the back of the coach, queen size bed to start with. One little unique feature that you're going to notice is that there's 110 power in this cubby hole here. There's also 110 power in the cubby hole over on the other side. That'll make it real easy for you to charge your iPhone, your iPad, whatever the case might happen to be. You can also use a CPAP machine if that's something that you need to do, and plug it in right there as well. No worries. We've also got plug-in right back here. This will actually convert to a real nice handy little workstation, and of course your TV up top for late night movies. Over here we do have a rather generously sized wardrobe and dresser system right here. You can easily get 2, maybe even 3 seasons of clothes in here. If you got kids and family members with you, everyone can have their clothes nice and tidy while you're going on those extended road trips. As we work our way out a little bit more, let's take a quick peek at this bathroom. As you'll see, there is lots of room to move about in here. I am about 5'9", I weigh about 200 pounds, and as you can see, lots of room for me to move about, and my fingers aren't touching the other side either. As we move out into the kitchen, pantry space is here and here. Plenty of room for food. This is great for those extended road trips or if you happen to be entertaining lots of friends and family on the road. Standard 2-door refrigerator, as you would expect. Fully equipped kitchen. So you've got a 3-burner gas cooktop. You've also got a oven down there that's big enough to roast a whole chicken, make a lasagna, whatever you really want to do. And then of course microwave up top. And check out the cabinets. Up top you've got lots of space. This is actually, like I said, I'm about 5'9", and that shelf is basically at eye level, so you don't have to worry about getting up on your tiptoes or really reaching your arm to crane back there and grab something. Everything is within very easy reach for both of these cabinets. That one's perfect for pots and pans, and if that's not quite going to work for pots and pans, Winnebago, really great with their engineering, has one big huge drawer down there for pots and pans as well. You don't see many RVs that are this well prepared. As we go forward in the coach, you're of course going to have jackknife sofa. Little detail to note, you've got cup holders in the right places here, and as you'll note, that's wood in there. It's not a block of foam that's been covered. So again, little testament to Winnebago's fantastic engineering. And then the same deal over here. You've got a nice buffet right here. You've got a table that's easy for 4. In fact, if I sneak in here like that, you'll notice that there is not a whole lot of space being wasted here. I can sit in here very comfortably, and everyone can get around the table, no worries. 4 people, lots of easy, very easy time. As we go into the cab, you will of course be on a Ford F53 chassis here. That is going to feature a 6.8 liter Triton V10 motor. You're also going to have mirroring technology here. That means that you can use this to plug your cell phone into that and have Google Maps or whatever you want pop up here. Really makes it rather convenient. Your cell phone updates every day, and you can basically always know where you're going, no worries. Other little convenient factor up here, you do have a very nice workstation here as well, so you can very easily make all your friends jealous when you update Facebook and tell them all the fun you're having. You've got USB power here, 12-volt power there, so again, real easy to do pretty much whatever you want. Last thing for the interior of the coach, you do of course have a bunk bed. This is an optional extra that was thrown in. This is going to be a twin size, has a 250-pound capacity. Just all you have to do is release that safety latch there and push a button in the back and it'll just drop right down. Nice and easy, no worries. That does it for the inside of this coach. Let's have a look at the wonderful exterior. So on the outside of this brand new 29VE Sunstar, we do have lots of storage, as you would expect. Lots of stuff that can go in there. And this storage bay even continues to the other side as well. You can see my hand going in there. So you can throw lots of golf clubs, you can throw a portable kayak, portable canoe, pretty much anything you can think of in there that you can store for toys. Have lots of fun while you're out enjoying the great outdoors. Outdoor entertainment system here. You do of course have marine speakers built in. The other thing to note, you've got your awning that goes from here all the way back to the front of the coach. So that's going to create lots of shade. Great place for you and your family to barbecue as well. Probably the best part about this 29 VE is this guy right here. This is why I think VE stands for very entertaining. You've got a fully equipped outdoor kitchen here. This is probably the most well-equipped outdoor kitchen on any RV. You've got storage space up top. You've got storage space going down the side. You've got a cutting table here. You've got a refrigerator. You've got extra storage down here, plus an extra workstation. Plus you've got 110 power and even a bottle opener ready to go. This is one of the best things that you can have on a motorhome, especially if you're going to be doing things like tailgaters, having big family barbecues with the kids while you're out on the road. Lots of good stuff. Plus, you might have noticed in that storage bay up front there was a little barbecue in there in that cardboard box. This is a propane jack for said barbecue, so all you will have to do is plug that bad boy in and you're good to go. You can cook anything you want outside. On the other side of the coach, you are going to have a 4,000 watt generator right in there. You're also going to have a little extra storage right here as well. Again, top marks for Winnebago's engineers and getting the most out of their chassis. And the last thing I want to point out is this guy right here. Just look at how simple and well organized this wet bay is. You've got color coding, so the gray tank handle is gray, black tank handle is black. You've got red plumbing for your hot lines, blue plumbing for your cool lines. Everything very simple, neat, tidy, and squared away. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time we have to talk about this 29 VE Sunstar. Once again, my name is Erik.Sakshaug. If you have questions on this coach or any of the other wonderful coaches we have here, please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen, or please feel free to give me a call direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.